with Dark Storm Industries. What we have here is one of our DS9 configurations that I built for our store mascot, who's turned into a bit of an Instagram celebrity. He's Dark Storm Norm on Instagram if you want to give him a follow. We took one of our DS9s. I sent it out to Nevada Cerakote, which does some of our custom work for us. They took a laser and some paint to it, and they brindled it all up. What they did was, we have serial number Normandy 9 in the lower, his little white spot, which kills me every time I look at it, and him lasered into the other side of the magwell where we usually put our shield. Maximum Defense was nice enough to donate a CQB CQB rifle stock for it. It's got an 8.5-inch barrel and a Gemtech GM9 suppressor. When they were doing it, they asked me if I'd like a Glock 19 to go with it. So they did this for me. Paw print stipple in the handguard there. And Classy Raptor Tactical made me a Norm backplate.